Hey everyone, I'm here to help you unlock the secrets of designing and constructing solutions using structure diagrams, flowcharts, and pseudocode. These tools are essential for breaking down complex problems into manageable steps before diving into actual coding. So let's get started. First up, structure diagrams. Think of these as the blueprint of your system. They provide a hierarchical view, breaking down your solution into smaller, more detailed subsystems. For example, if you're building an online store, you might start with high-level components like user management, inventory, and checkout. Each of these can be further broken down. User management might include subsystems for login, profile settings, and order history. It's like building with Lego blocks, each level adding more detail. Next, flowcharts. These are visual representations showing the sequence of actions needed to complete a task. Picture it like a roadmap. For instance, let's say you're dealing with parcel weights. Your flowchart might show steps like input weight, check if weight and 25 kilograms, reject if true, and stop input on -1. It's a step-by-step guide that ensures nothing is missed. Now let's talk about trace tables. These are handy for testing algorithms. Imagine you're baking a cake and want to check each ingredient's quantity as you go. A trace table does just that for algorithms. It shows each variable's value at every step, helping you spot any logical errors. It's like having a checklist to ensure your recipe is flawless. Finally, we have pseudocode. This is where you describe your algorithm in plain, human-readable language. It's like writing a story about what your program will do. Start by understanding the problem, then outline the major components using structure diagrams. Develop a flowchart to map out the steps, and finally write pseudocode to detail each action. For example, let's solve a problem. Calculate the total weight of parcels accepted and number rejected. Your pseudocode might look something like this. Begin total weight =0 rejected count =0 while weight =(-1) do input weight. If weight 25, then rejected count =rejected count plus 1 else. Total weight total weight plus weight end if end while output total weight rejected count end. Remember, keep your pseudocode consistent. Use capital letters for keywords like input and output, and indent repeated or selected statements. Iterate and refine your diagrams and pseudocode to catch any issues. Once everything looks good, you're ready to code. And don't forget to test and debug thoroughly. So there you have it. Structure diagrams, flowcharts, and pseudocode are your best friends in planning and documenting solutions before coding. Use these tools to simplify complex problems and make your coding journey smoother. Happy coding! If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time.